Hello, beautiful. It's Mally Roncal from Mally Beauty, and we are here with David's Bridal, and we are going to show you a dreamy, romantic makeup look. Now, this works beautifully with this gorgeous dress. You look like a dreamy little princess with this beautiful, gorgeous lace dress with a delicious V-neck, which I love so much. You can really see all of her beautiful skin. So, in order to create the beautiful makeup look that goes with this dreamy look, we are going to do something very special. So first and foremost, you want to start with a satin base. What I mean by that is the skin is not too dewy, it's not too matte, it's just this beautiful, soft satin look to the skin. Looks super natural. Now, let's talk about the eye, because I want it to be something very ethereal, something with a taupey base, which is just gonna look super fresh and beautiful. So we're using my shadow stick in Bliss, and look at as we glide it across her lid, like so. And then you're just gonna blend out with your fingers. You can use a brush, anything you need to just get that beautiful ethereal glow. Oh my gosh. So, together with that beautiful soft base, that beautiful taupe eye, the real clincher here is this matte lip. So we're gonna go for a beautiful matte lip in a rose shade. And the trick here is that you want it to look very soft and fresh and powdery. So this is my beautiful Liquid Luxury matte lip. And I want you to take it, and the great thing about it is you don't even have to use a liner. You literally can just draw it right onto your lips and create that perfect, beautiful pout, just like so. Now give me a mama. And look how gorgeous. Yes, I love it. So thank you so much for joining us for this romantic, dreamy makeup look with David's Bridal.